In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to put some rubberized undercoating or undercoat bed liner, whatever you want to call it, on your trailer hitch package so that you will prevent rust or eliminate rust. So here we go. We've got some Bondo heavy duty rubberized undercoating which prevents rust and corrosion, and I've got kind of a semi-rusty hitch package right here, and I'm gonna just spray this right on and coat it in nice black finish. Now I've got the trailer wires here that I don't really worry about whether or not they're gonna get sprayed, so I'm not gonna clip them. I'm just gonna kind of tuck it around. And then I've also got the hitch that, again, if this gets coated, that's not gonna worry me. But the bumper I do not want to cover, so I've got some newspaper taped up there to prevent that. So shake up the can for a little bit, and then you're going to be able to spray away. So you want to get a nice even coat on there. You can see it's all turned nice and black. And once you have it on, this takes about 30 to 40 minutes to dry, and then you can do another coat if you like. It's recommended to do about 2 or 3 coats for maximum protection. So that is it, how to spray on some rubberized undercoating to prevent rust and corrosion. Again, links to all this will be in the description below. Feel free to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos.